your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Kevin here with us that came over here with Joyce, his wife, from San Antonio today just for chiropractic care. This is their very first time seeing a chiropractor. I've already done his entire orthopedic neurological examination, but I'm going to show you a couple of the highlights. Let's have you flex your head forward and then backwards for me. And then neutral. Okay, now, he's also a dental technician, and he works with his head down and his hands out in front of him a lot, which you can see how that's affecting his biomechanics. He's got severe forward head posture and even rotation down on the x-axis as well. So he's kind of looking down into he's translated to the left of center. His left shoulder is a little bit lower than his right one. And down here, he's got less space here on this left side than he does the right side. And his hands are out in front of him instead of being at his sides, and his shoulders being squared off. So I want to put him on the BioPhysics table and check his range of motion. And I've already checked his range of motion, but we're going to check his, let's go ahead and go and you tell me for me. We're going to check his tensile strength on his muscles and ligaments with the adjustments on the BioPhysics table first. Now see, his left leg is over half an inch shorter than his right leg. And as I bring his legs up, it actually gets even a little longer, and that tightens up in your low back, doesn't it, Kevin?
Yes.
So that's a positive knockless with the low back pelvis raising up, and then the pain on the left side right here is his SI joint. There's L5 right there, L4, all these are sore. They're all misaligned. And now all comes up into his lower thoracic spine. You can see he's got a little bit too much curve in here, which is called a kyphosis. That's from his head being so far forward. You got really hypertonic musculature in the mid-thoracic and lower thoracic spine. These are all tender, sore muscles, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
He's got bilateral trap, trigger points, and spasm, actually, from his head being so far forward for so long. And his atlas is misaligned right up here under his skull. He's got C5 and C6 out right here on the left, C3, 4 on the right there. So I'm going to get started adjusting him. I'm going to start off with his left SI joint, which is where most of the problem's coming from. He did have a left sacral deviation test that was positive over here, plus a positive Deerfield on the left as well. Now this is their very first chiropractic adjustment ever, so they are going to be sore afterwards. That's to be expected. It's kind of like a new workout when you go to the gym for the first time. You're going to be sore afterwards. But we always tell our patients that right up front. Okay, I want you just to breathe. Don't hold your breath on me. There you go. Keep exhaling. There you go. Excellent. Good. Yes, sir. Crack addicts are going to love you. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. And put your hands on your tummy there. And just relax this right in my hand. Good. That's it. Excellent. Okay. Now, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit. His head was way, way forward, so see we're bringing his head up and back. Good. Okay, now slide down this way a little bit. And put your arms straight out to the sides. Adjusting his shoulders, his clavicles, his AC joints here. Now he also has complained of some acid reflux, so I'm going to pull his stomach down through his diaphragm for him. Deep breath in. Exhale. Keep exhaling. Keep exhaling. Okay, deep breath in. Exhale and keep exhaling. And one more time. A little deeper than what it looks on YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, just relax your leg right here in my hands. There you go. Should have felt that. Your knee all the way up to your back. Did you?
Yes.
Okay. There we go. Excellent. Good. Okay, let's come over here on this table. And we're going to have you lay on your back with your pelvis right here. Yep. There. Okay, just relax. Lay flat.
Oh, that's very tight.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. We got a pin that's a little bent. Suck it up just a second. There you go.
Oh, wow, that's very tight. Tighter the better.
Yeah, tighter the better for sure. Just let your legs relax and bend. Keep your teeth together for me now, Kevin. Take a deep breath through your nose. And relax it all. There you go. Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh,
Pins are a little tight, huh?
yeah.
Pins are the most painful part of the whole thing. He's still kicking you, alright. Okay, I got all these already. You get one more lower one. There it is, right there. Okay. Now I'm going to have you sit up and face Joseph for me. Get up sideways though. There we go. Okay, there we go. Scoot back this way just a little bit, please. There we go. There we go. Good. See, he reaches forward a lot, so his shoulders are out too. There we go. So we adjust the entire body here, the spine, the pelvis, knees, the hip joints, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hands and fingers. Sometimes I even do the feet and the toes. There. There we go, good, okay. Now let's come over here and stand in front of the mirror for me. Alright, Kevin, let's have you close your eyes and flex your hip forward and backwards again. And then back to normal. Take a look in the mirror now compared to when you first walked in. See the difference?
Big difference.
It's huge. Now, let's pull these up and back for me. And then we bring your head straight back first. And look all the way. Try to look at the wall behind you. Full extension. Feel a little tap there. Okay, now relax. Okay, flex your head forward and then backwards again. Now look, that's much better biomechanics. So not only can you feel the difference, you can visibly see the difference. See how you're more equal spacing down here now? So that's excellent. So would you mind sharing with our YouTube fans about your first experience here? And you came here all the way from San Antonio. They got a lot of chiropractors in San Antonio.
Yes.
Why did you come here?
First off, we saw it on YouTube. We were looking for information, and we saw it, and we saw things that you do that other chiropractors don't do, like the Ringdinger. And of course, being in kind of the medical side of the job, I can understand what it does. So, and because of what I do, which I'm sitting so long, I knew that would be beneficial for us.
And
Great
did it feel good?
experience. It was great, and I can feel the difference
Immediately.
immediately. Yeah.
Yeah, good man. Well, thank you for sharing your experience with us, and have a safe trip back to San Antonio. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.